In this video, I will show you how you can install and use dual WhatsApp on any Samsung tablet. Now, as you can see, I have already installed WhatsApp on my tablet. But if you want to enable dual WhatsApp on your tablet, for that, there are two methods. For the first method, just go to your home screen and open Settings. And under Settings, just search this. Now just tap on Dual Messenger. From here, just open the Dual Messenger settings. Now just enable the toggle for WhatsApp. Now just select Install. Now just make sure that you have already installed WhatsApp on your tablet, otherwise the option for WhatsApp will not appear over here. Now after you've done that, now if you open the app drawer, as you can see we have successfully enabled dual WhatsApp on our tablet. As you can see, this is the first WhatsApp and this is the clone of the WhatsApp app on our tablet. Just like that. Now this was the first method. Now for the second method, just go back to settings, but this time just search this. From here, just tap on Secure Folder, then open the Secure Folder settings. Now just tap on More and select Continue. Tap on More and select Next. Now just wait for a couple of seconds for your tablet to create Secure Folder. Now from here, just set a pin, a password, or a pattern for your secure folder. For an example, I will select the pattern. Now just draw your pattern, then tap on Continue. Now just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern, then select Confirm. Select Allow, and after that, just tap on Next. Select Next, then tap on Done. Now to create dual WhatsApp using the secure folder, just tap on the plus icon over here. And from this list, just look for WhatsApp. As you can see, this is WhatsApp. Just select it, then tap on Add. Now after you add WhatsApp to the secure folder, just tap and hold on WhatsApp and select Add to Home Screen. Select Add. As you can see, if I go to the home screen, we have successfully created a clone of the WhatsApp app. As you can see, this is the original WhatsApp and this is the cloned version. Now if you're using an older Samsung tablet, you might not even have secure folder on your tablet. Now in that case, to create dual WhatsApp, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar just search this. Then install this app on your tablet. And after that, just tap on Open. Now from here, just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup process. Now after you complete the setup process, now to create a clone of the WhatsApp app, just tap on Add App. And from this list, just select WhatsApp. After you select WhatsApp, then tap on Add to Parallel Space. And as you can see, we have successfully created a clone of the WhatsApp app. Just like that. And this is how you can install dual WhatsApp on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.